Our first cause of loss, and easily the most common as part of storm season, at least in most years, is hail. And I know we are focusing on spring storms today, and traditionally that is when we see the most hailstorms, but don't be surprised if you see hail damage pretty much any time of the year, and those storms are becoming even more common in more places during almost any month. We even saw hailstorms as late as December last year. Hail damage is very common to condensing units, especially those units with unprotected coils as seen here. What you are seeing is very minor hail, but as you will see in the upcoming photos, it can be devastating to these coils, which we reviewed earlier are made of soft aluminum and are no match for hailstones. The repairs on a hail loss could include combing the coils as seen here, but this can only be done for coils that were in good condition before the hail and only sustained very minor hail impacts as seen here. And there you have the answer to that knowledge check question. Condition of the coil would be our biggest issue when trying to determine if we can comb it. Things like corrosion and previous issues with the coil will definitely limit our ability to comb that coil. Age, location, brand, and whether it is a mini split should not alone limit us on whether we can comb it or not. With bigger hail, we see more damage and coils that are completely flattened. At this point, combing would be difficult and could tear the fins if attempted. And just look at that hail damage. I think we can agree that coil is toast. But do you need to replace the entire unit or even the entire system due to that level of damage? What about this one, which is even more dramatic? The answer to both of those is no. The next step to take if the coil cannot be combed is to replace just the coil. And I know there's plenty of you out there that think that may not be cost effective, but let me assure you it is. And technicians perform this repair all of the time. Did you notice on this unit, the top and fan grill were also impacted. And even with that, a repair is likely on this claim. Remember those statistics from earlier? 80% of systems damaged by hail can be repaired.